So for my boat drawing, this is the first step that I've completed. Okay, this is one angle, this is the line with the other angle, little bigger one, and then joining it. Next step is, this is the upper part of the boat. Now I have to draw the base part of the boat also. So for that, drawing it in this way. Little bit of space, from here till here I'll just keep this much distance over here. Okay, I'm keeping little bit of distance over here. See what I'm doing. Kind of a oval shape that I've drawn over here. This kind of a shape. So there will be a little distance. This distance will be more and this distance will be less. Why? Because this line is going in an angle little towards up. So that's why this distance will be less and this distance will be more. So after I'm done with the upper part of the ship and making the base part of a ship ready, now few more steps are remaining. Going to get your ship very nicely. So now I'm taking a absolutely straight standing line over here and bringing it down. Absolutely straight standing line. As much as possible, try to do it freehand with the help of scale. Okay, try to draw this. Small lines like this. At the end also, here also I'll try to put one line. Middle also will put some lines parallel to each other. Everything freehand. I'm not taking the use of a scale. Then only the drawing part will improve and you all will be confident enough to draw anything that comes to your imagination. A little bit of imagination how it is going to convert into a boat. The upper part of the boat is ready. After this, I'm just extending it little bit upwards like this, and I will just make it like this, a flag kind of a shape over here for the and after making the flag over this, okay, what I have to do is we have to work on our lower part of the ship, which is very raw right now. So what I have to do is, while doing the lower part, just pay attention towards this side. It has to be very beautiful, yet I'll keep it simple and sweet. I'm taking a shape like this, which is going like this. One more shape which is going like this. So what the upper part which is going to look, and I'll rub the other line which I don't require, the base line that we draw earlier. I don't require this base line. Base line only I'm able to give this shape to my boat. After we're done with the upper part and the lower part over here, let's try to make some water and let's finish the boat over here. For boat, the shape of the boat will be something like this. Here also it will be something like this, going very down. And some water. I've used simply curved lines. I would like to add some this tires that usually any boat has a side to rescue the people element. So we have done the lower part of the boat also ready over here. This is a big tire. I can put a small tire like this beside the big tire, and we can also put shape like this to make it more interesting and realistic. Ship can be of various shape, so that's not at all an issue while creating or drawing it. Our boat is completely ready Tan-ta-da! I can put, let me put some clouds over here. Or you can put some birds also if you want. It's completely your wish, the way you want. So I hope you will like the drawing this way, and you understood what I did, how I did it step by step. After you're done with the complete drawing, take any marker. This is the thick marker which I'm using. You can use a thin marker also, which is something like this, a thin one, or maybe a black sketch pen or a charcoal pencil, whatever is available with you at your place, for doing the outline the page border also.